Yabona thina South Africans ukuba i-apartheid yayifumene le generation yangoku e-South Africans phela ngoku ngangazange sayiwina tu ngangazange sayiwina yaba nelishwa nje apartheid yafumana abantu benyana amadoda nomqolo amadoda angathengise ngelizweni amadoda angafakwa inqathe emlonyeni athule amadoda angeka athengise ngelizwe kuze bokutyebe bona otata uRobert Sobukwe oSteve Biko Oliver Tambo oGavin Biko amadenyana oChrisani amadoda enyana oLthaso Sulu ayalwelana alwele lizwe sikulo ngoesithina silithengisayo back aba ifumene level la phethe ngoku la rhulumente phethe ngoku esiphansi kwelizwe lengcinezelo straight phansi kwesandla zengcinezelo thina lapha eSouth Africa we can't even agree ngento eyi-one lo umuntu eyibona wonke umuntu ayibonayo you don't need to be too smart uyibona you don't need a degree uyibona afuneka ukuthi ukhumshe kakhulu uthini uzuyibona it's a problem illegal immigration in South Africa, it is a problem. You cannot tell me uba kunosuku umuntu kwelinye ilizwe ngapha eNigeria afika eSouth Africa afika athimba building eSouth Africa and you don't tell me by your problem leyo. Awukwazi ukuthi umuntu asuke ngapha eNigeria afika eSouth Africa azofida abantwana balapha nge-drugs. Abenze inyawupe addicts. And you tell me by your problem leyo. Basuke ngapha eNigeria bafika bathinya abantwana beni benze prostitutes. About your problem there. Abantu bafuna uku sound smarter than other people, sound intelligent than other people. Ngoba uthini? Because abanye abantu bayatya ngaloo nto leyo. Yo hayi siwiki thina South Africa kakhulu. Siwiki. You can agree on one thing. Everybody knows uba akho mntu ungasuka kwenye ilizwe and come and loot the mineral resources nezamazama zabantu abasuka ngaphandle kwe-South Africa and you're gonna tell us uba that's not a problem. Ngeke manene sanudlala ngathi apha you wanna tell me uba ungasuka umuntu ngapha destabilize the country kuqhawula ingcingo zelantika zetrain kuthiwani kubuya ikhopha ngizonixeba ayiyo problem leyo ayinixeba ayiyo problem we can't agree ngaloo nto leyo you want to be smarter than other people siwiki thina South Africans siwiki umzekelo ophila ngoku bafana yodlala landikeni bafana yodlala i-World Cup. We can't agree on supporting Bafana because these other teams are dominating other teams as if it's the first country to learn. Is Spain, whenever Spain at some point 2010 Spain, 80% of the teams that's Barcelona. Spain always beat Barcelona, Madrid and Atletico Madrid. Every year. They got Spain, the Spanish people they support Spain. Tina we can't. Because there's Sundowns. If fans are Sundowns, it's not the first time you can get. It's not the first time we've dominated the players the Chiefs, dominated the Bafana, the Paris dominated the Bafana. Why can't they support the team? Man, Tina's weak, man. It's weak. I'm gonna South Africans. I always say this. All these South Africans who claim to not to see this issue here, illegal immigration. All of them, if you see all of them who claim, I'm using the word claim or pretend not to see intentionally because they pretend they don't. It's not a problem because they see it's a problem. If you know all of them, they live a privileged life. All of them, they live comfortable. They speak a very good English. There's nothing wrong about living a privileged life. There's nothing wrong about living, speaking a good English. There's nothing wrong about living comfortable. Everybody wants to live a comfortable life, but there's everything wrong when you start detaching from the reality. When you think your problems or we are living a westernized life, that's a problem. You ask these people about the legal immigration are not a problem. Ask them, would they live in Sunnyside? No, they will never live in Sunnyside. Ask them, they will live in a Hillport. They will never live in Hillport. They will never live in South Beach. They would never do that. They will never live in Captain Park. Ask those people why they wouldn't. They will never let their kids live in these places. No, they wouldn't. Why? No, it's okay. Nabona umthandazo wami mnye. And for umthandazo wami it's not even evil prayer. And futhi uzawuphenduleka. Umthandazo wami hala ababantu abona ngathi it's not a problem illegal immigration. Ba witness abantwana babo abantwana be-sisters zabo, their nephews, their nieces and their children being destroyed by drugs. Bazoyibona straight. Into endithanda about i-drug ngeyi-one. I-drug it's painful kulo muntu obukeleyo more than consumer i-drug. Luyibukele umntana wakho uqoma njengoba usithi maba the illegal immigration it's okay ibone xa abantwana befeedwa i-drugs sisasikhula thina siyouth thina singazingana drugs anza nayibona i-drug ebomini bami mna zange ndake nayibona i-drug ebomini bami because ndikhule ezilalini eBizana there were no drugs ngoku khona ii-drugs eBizana elalini yam elideke mission khona amakho ngathengisa ii-drugs uxaba lo illegal immigration ayo problem sanosimosha nginapha mthanazo nje uba bonke abantu bakhumba nezingisi ezikhulu bakhumisha ba abone umntana wabo dysfunctional umntana wesister yakhe umntana webrother dysfunctional because of drugs abukele uzawukhumbula amazwi akhe and all these people abasebenza kulandika abathe enable lento bathatha bribes ilandike immigration officers nabo ngumthando wami lo bakhe bayifile. And these people kona they are South African out time umlungisi seToronto every time we WhatsApp debate nezinye chapter one guy is the States abanye say Ireland. To our surprise mna nomlungisi kuba there are South Africans who are in overseas they don't see any problem. Dithi kubo if you are in Canada or you are in States don't see the problem, go to South Africa, you'll feel the heat. Don't be on other countries. You understand this? Other South Africans who are not in South Africa in this country, they're friends with the other nations. They are bakukose friendship yabo. Because kaloku they are colleagues. Abanye bachate nabo, abanye bajola nabo. So abafuna ukuthi kuthiwe bathi xenophobic. There's no such thing as xenophobic. It's nothing as xenophobic. We're fighting illegal immigration, simple as like that. Like any other country. There's no country that allows illegal immigration. No one. Why South Africa should we allow it? Why? Asandlala ngathi nina sange sidlale ngathi please sanusimosha please yo.
Sawubona Mbukeli, nangubhuti ekhuluma ngoludaba la ukuthi ube yithi sasilwela i-apartheid. Hhayi sasingesilungu thina general isimanje manje ngoba thina siphela ukudizwa nokwenza ezinye izinto nje. Sifuna into eziza kalula empilweni. Bengicela nawe ube wakho umbono ukuthi uyavumelana nobhuti noma uvumelane naye ukuthi thina generation isimanje manje sasingesilungu isikhathi sobandlululo ngoba thina asinayo i-backbone. Sisebenzela izithu zethu nje, singafakwa iqathe emlomeni siyathula. Asihlangane kwenye ividiyo elandelayo. Bye bye.